Hey everyone, Daniel Rubino here, Windows Central, and check it out, the Surface Pro 6. Yes, evidently the ending of the whole number scheme from last year is over, so this is version 6, as we all know. So what's new and unique about it? Not a whole lot. This is a pretty minor refresh, but there are a couple of highlights. Obviously, it now comes in black. Now that's an option. If you want the silver, it's still there. But black, I admit, it does look really nice. Last time we saw black was Surface Pro 2, and he just updated it. Now everything on this thing is black, and it's done very well. They took their time with it. The other big deal here, Intel 8th generation processor. This one in front of me is a Core i7-8650U. It's a really good processor. It's quad core. They had to redo all the thermals inside to accompany that. So it's a very powerful machine, 67% faster than last year's model. And I've been saying this for a while, right, that the 8th generation is actually a significant chip. Nice to see it. But what's not new, I'm going to disappoint some of you. Marvel Wi-Fi still present. No USB Type-C and definitely no Thunderbolt 3. And for me, that's kind of crucial. That's really a bit jarring that isn't here. You still get the same ports, USB-A and a mini display port. Battery life, 13.5 hours. It's supposed to be very efficient. It looks great. I'm sure it's very fun to use, but if you already have a current Surface Pro from 2017, unless you really need black, you probably don't need to rush out and buy this. The other good thing is it starts now at a lower price point at $899, which is really nice. But there's going to be a little stuff there that's happening there. That's partly because this now ships with Windows 10 Home, from what we understand. So obviously they're cutting back on some of the licensing fee there, makes it a little bit cheaper. We'll have more information about Surface Pro 6 in the coming weeks. Of course, we'll review it. One of Microsoft's most popular devices. I wish they did a little bit more, but we're expecting a major refresh in 2019, so we'll have to wait till then. If you have any comments, leave them below. We'll have also descriptions on where you can pre-order this today. Otherwise, pay attention to us in the next coming weeks as we'll cover this device. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.